Okay, Senior, thank you very much. Senior, please, what do you do?
I'm a software developer.
Software developer. Chai, is it the Odogus we're talking about? Senior, so how do you make money being a software developer?
Well, I build software for companies.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes I freelance as well. But the bulk of my money is made working with clients outside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's how I make money.
Is it very difficult becoming a software developer?
Well, how do I put it? It is, but if you are disciplined and you are focused on your goal, you can become a software developer.
Okay, so it takes discipline and focus to become software. Is it expensive learning to become a software?
No, it's not. Currently, because of tools like YouTube and ChatGPT, those kind of tools, it doesn't make it expensive to them. Yeah. You just need data and also a device.
Right.
Yeah, good to go.
So it's internet most of the time that you are working with?
Yeah, if you want to learn it, you have to get access to those resources on the internet. Yeah, so it's mostly the internet that you need to be able to learn it.
That's very good. So I know your line of business. I don't know much into software, but if someone wants to venture and is thinking it's difficult, the ones that I think is difficult are the ones that I'm asking. So if someone wants to venture and is thinking that it's difficult, what are some of the challenges that you face individually in your software developing career?
So when you are starting, you mean, or
yes,
when you are inside?
When you are inside. When you are inside,
When you are inside, in the beginning, it's very difficult to, should I say, get people to work with, because you are relatively new. No one knows how good you are at your work. So the best way to get the attention of potential clients and companies to work with is to build projects, build challenging projects, exciting projects, and these projects you build is what
is challenging.
Yeah, challenging because they are easy projects that you can just copy from someone online, or you can just ask AI to write for you. That one is simple. So you have to build challenging projects so that companies will be able to know that this guy is very capable of doing what you need him to do.
Wow.
So yeah, this is one of the ways you can easily get clients or companies to work with. Yeah.
So when you said you work with people, I thought you were going to tell me that maybe you need people to help you in building. Not knowing is people coming into patronizing your. That's what you mean.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, so currently looking at the ratio of software, or let me see the IT coming into existence, do you think we have a higher potential of people still becoming software developers? Is there a career that we can look on from 15 years, 20 years?
I think so, but you have to be very disciplined. You have to actually try to be at the top of your game, because AI is now here and it's competing with us. So if you are new coming in, you might think, Charlie, because of AI, there's good space. There's space. Yes, it's difficult to get into, but if you're focused and you keep on challenging yourself, pushing yourself to get to the top of your game, there will be a career for you. Yeah.
So how do you overcome those challenges, as you said, in getting people to work with, getting the copies, as you said, so that you can build your portfolio? Or how do you overcome those challenges so that you can be able to be getting more prospecting or more clients to work?
Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to push yourself out there, first of all. Second, you have to make your CV and resume more professional. You have to build a portfolio. And
guys, I'm always telling you, build a good portfolio, build a good one.
Yes, you have to build a portfolio, very eye-catching portfolio. That will make potential clients want to stay on your portfolio, look at what you are doing, become interested in you, and also reach out to you to work with them. So these are some of the things you can do. And also, the way the world is always changing, you also have to keep on upgrading yourself. You have to keep on looking for the new trends in the software development industry. Try to push yourself to work on challenging projects, and you become a better developer and a better person overall.
Yeah, thank you so much. So if someone is watching you and wants to enter into that, what one advice that you give to the person?
Be disciplined. That's what I was saying.
Be disciplined. So is discipline for you? Discipline or motivation?
I say no, discipline and consistency. Yeah, if you are consistent every day, just do something. At least dedicate 1 hour of your day to becoming a better software developer. Let me tell you a secret.
Okay.
I didn't do software development in school.
Oh really?
I did petroleum engineering.
Oh wow.
Yeah, when I finished school, that's when COVID had just affected. So it was very difficult to get opportunities.
Okay.
So I was at home and I just chanced on a YouTube video about a girl speaking about software development and and also how she got into the industry and how much he's making. When
Wow.
she spoke, I was like, oh, I can do this.
So you
And I
self-learned everything?
Yeah, so I dedicated 1 year. I didn't go out. I didn't use social media. I was just dedicated.
1 year?
Yeah, 1 year. Every day, 3 hours on the grind.
Right.
So, Charlie, if you follow this blue step, Charlie, this blueprint, you get to the top. Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling you, I'm always giving you the correct way. You guys are saying they don't show us the correct way. Now I'm giving you guys the correct way. So it's just, let's say, 1 year of continuous learning, being indoors. You don't
distraction.
If you say you don't go out, that means you don't go for parties, you don't go for only the vital ones.
Yeah, only the vital ones. Eat, church, stuff like that. Yes, but parties, no, unnecessary
ones. Wow. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah.